question for toddlers. And the question is, what the f? Today's video is sponsored by Dollar Tree. I'm having one of those days where I'm looking at myself and I don't recognize myself and I'm like, is this really like what I look like? Let's dive into today's Dollar Tree haul. The first thing that I have are these sticker numbers. They're the poster letters. They've been around for a really long time. I got 2 of the solid black, and then I got this set, which has like the white, but it's outlined in black, which is super nice. These are really great to do any kind of projects. Even if you have like a farmhouse feel, you can use these for command centers. I've done DIYs like that before for you guys. These numbers are just great to do any kind of like decor DIY, scrapbooking, junk journaling, like the works. Even great for decorating care packages. These poster letters and numbers are my favorite at Dollar Tree. The one thing that I would recommend is to carry these out of the store separate from your bag, because what they tend to do is they tend to bend them like this, and then stuff like this happens to your numbers. They start coming up, and then because they're sticky, they're gonna grab onto like the plastic of the bag, and then it rips, and then you end up losing numbers through it. So make sure that if you get these, you just like don't let them put it in the bag and just carry it out. Trust me, it's better that way. I found some really cute items that I think would be great for care packages or in that Easter basket this season. And this is like a 3D art creative set. I found one in the truck set, and then I also found it in the little pirate set, which I think is super cute. These are $1.25 and there's no tools needed to assemble them. This is new, brand new by the way, at Dollar Tree, and the toys are so good. I had to pick these up to share them with you guys. On this trip, I picked up 3 packages of these like faux pearls. They have a sticker adhesive to them. This is like a navy color, which is so beautiful, and they do come in a variety of colors. These are great for any kind of planning, scrapbooking, junk journaling, even just like some DIYs that you might need to do for like a tiered tray or like book stacks. These little pearls have the best adhesive quality to them. Something new in this week at Dollar Tree that you guys need to know about are these Crafter Square brand craft papers. I found it in 2 different formats. And they are so freaking cute, and they're new. You get 16 sheets in here. They have a like journaling card quality to them, so these are going to be really great to junk journal with, craft with. If you want to like make personal cards, or if you're doing any kind of friend mail, these are going to be a great pickup. The next item is blowing me away. You guys have got to run to Dollar Tree to pick these up, but I found some new body wash. I just noticed that they were new, and anytime I see anything new, it just automatically goes into my cart. But when I got home, I decided to look these up. This is Dragonfly Bath and Body. These are the body washes, and this is going for an insane amount online, like between Poshmark, eBay, like they're going for like about $40 a bottle. Like I don't really know that much about this other than that's what I'm seeing online. I don't know why it's going for so much money. So if you happen to know, comment down below and let us all in on this like Dragonfly secret. I found 3 different options. I found lavender, which is in a purple bottle. I found pink lemonade, which is in the pink bottle. And then I found tea tree and sage, which is in the mint green bottle. I like that it says that it's carefully formulated without sulfates, dyes, or parabens. And it has natural fragrance extracts. So that already like catches my attention. But yeah, like I found these for $1.25. The next items you need to go search for at Dollar Tree are the sticker by number activity books. They're brand new. They've never been sold at Dollar Tree before. They're also going to be great for that Easter basket. I'm telling you, you can create the cutest Easter basket from things from Dollar Tree. So I found Hot Wheels in this. I found Barbie. I found Little People, which is, I think, a first that I've ever seen at Dollar Tree. And I also found Polly Pocket. She's also a rare one to find at Dollar Tree. Barbie and Hot Wheels has like always rotated through Dollar Tree, but Polly Pocket and Little People, that's gonna be a steal. More items that came in as a new shipment to Dollar Tree that would be great in an Easter basket are these little tugboat toys. I believe they're kind of made for bath time, which is so cute. I found these 2 options with like the reverse color. Also brand new this week that I think would be perfect for like that pre-teen, you know, section of age, I don't even know what I'm saying, but are these chalks. These are brand new to Dollar Tree. They have the glitter chalk option, which is amazing, but something I've never seen before at Dollar Tree is the marble chalk. So definitely go search for these at Dollar Tree. They're going to be great in an Easter basket. Another adorable new toy that is brand new to Dollar Tree is this airplane here. I also feel like this is probably meant for bath time, especially since it's like a water plane essentially. I think it's such a cute toy and I can't believe that this is $1.25. As you guys know, I love going into Dollar Tree and finding things that are new, but I also go in and grab things that like I just love to have for myself that I use often. So a refill are these gloves. Also pay attention, they do have different sizes. I don't know that I've ever seen small, but I've seen medium and I've seen large. So picked up a box of the pink. I also picked up these cute little outer space blue alien stickers. They are so cute. I love the planets. I love the sun with the sunglasses. These are some of my favorite stickers at Dollar Tree. I also want to do a refill on my rhinestone stickers. So I got green. I got several of the gold. I got some more green, red, and then blue. They also have like a clear one and pink as well. I have no idea why this is honestly sold at Dollar Tree, but I'm here for it. You guys know I love the book receipts. You get 40 in here. You get the front copy and then you get a carbon copy. These are just really fun to journal with. Another item that is just a repeat buy for me are the index cards. These are the jumbos. Sometimes they're hard to come by because they don't restock them as often, but absolutely love the jumbo. You get 125 in here, which is amazing. They also come in a regular size, and then they come in a regular size in multicolor. I wish we could get the jumbo in the color, but we don't. Dollar Tree only offers it in the white so far. You guys know I'm a sucker for pens at Dollar Tree, and I found this. I definitely do not have this in my collection. It is called the Super Glide Fashion Pens. They are 1.0 medium point, nickel, silver tip, has a rubber grip, and it comes in 3 assorted colors. So your ink is actually going to be the color of the pen. That's something you do have to watch out for because sometimes you'll get colorful pens, but the ink is black. So so definitely make sure that you're getting the ink color that you're looking for. Something I'm always looking for every time I step in a Dollar Tree are going to be their children's books because $1.25 is just absolute insanity. And I found these. So what I'm noticing about Dollar Tree is they're putting out a brand called Bendin. So here's what it looks like right there. It kind of is a spin-off, in my personal opinion, of the little golden books. They definitely have some of that like same qualities there, but these little Bendin books, yeah, see, it even says little Bendin books, little golden books. Like, it's definitely supposed to be a dupe, so I think that's actually really amazing. And these are brand new to Dollar Tree. So I found the Ugly Duckling, and I'll just go ahead and show you just a couple of the pages. These would be so cute to journal with, junk journal with. They don't just have to be for the kids. I found the 3 little pigs. Like, the cover of this book is so good in itself. And then the images are so cute. So there's that one. And then I found Jack and the Beanstalk. So there's another good one. And I love that each book has its own like separate color. So like this book is blue. Yeah, so pretty, very excited. Then I found another version of the little Bendin books. As you can see, it looks a little bit different, but it is the same brand. So this one is basically like nursery rhymes. So absolutely adorable. They're just like children's classics with vintage art from 1916. So this is definitely a must grab if you guys love junk journaling. This is going to be one to definitely have in your stash. And we're gonna end this haul with some more cards because you guys know I just can't get enough of them. And if you're new to my channel, I definitely look at cards from a scrapbooking, junk journaling perspective, and I try to see its potential outside of some of these messages. So like I'm looking at these little icons and I can definitely like cut around them, use them separately if I wanted to. Then I also found this one, which is super adorable. Has like the little rubber ducky. I love the scallop trim, and I can definitely either like cut this duck out, or I can even cover it if I wanted to and just kind of like use the polka dots instead. Like there's a lot that I can do with this card. Then I found this one, and it is so freaking precious. I love it just the way that it is. It doesn't say baby girl, even though it's like for a baby girl kind of card. It says sugar and spice, so that's really easy to work with. And this dress is so cute, and this is one of those cards where you need to go to Dollar Tree and look at it because it's gorgeous in person. And then the final card is this one with the cute teddy bear and all of the items here. I just thought this was really cute. I'm gonna try to work with this some way somehow, but I think I just really liked the color palette in this card. And just so that you can kind of see all of the cards next to each other, they're super adorable, and some of them are $1, like the smaller size, and then the larger ones I believe are $1.25, or it might be like reverse, it might be like 50 cents. I don't remember exactly like what the price is. It might be like 50 cents for these, but yeah. If somebody remembers, comment down below and correct me. And that's gonna be it for today's haul. I hope you guys enjoyed. Drop your shopping list down below. What from these items do you guys want to be on the hunt for? And I will see you guys next time. Bye.